All of the birds died in 1986 due to Reagan killing them and replacing them with spies that are now watching us. The birds work for the bourgeoisie.
Similar to this video.
These drones are equipped with cameras, GPS antennas, and data links to communicate their findings back to Chinese intelligence.
The bourgeoisie are what we would call the middle class. These are the people in society who own property, who have property, who enjoy the fruits of capitalism.
It's estimated that by 2001, 90% of the birds that we see in the sky will actually be surveillance robots.
There's like thousands and thousands of birds in my backyard.
Birds are falling out of the sky dead.
Conspiracy theories involving government testing and airplanes spraying bad stuff.
A flock of these birds got a direct blast of the chemtrails.
Magnetics, the Earth's magnetic field.
They could have got a hold of some bad food. Like, they could have flew in and was like, hey, let's eat this food.
Birds aren't real.
Birds aren't real. Wake up, California. And it shows a pigeon. It says equals government surveillance drone.
Yo, look.
And the caption says, all I'm saying, dog, is I ain't never seen a baby pigeon.
No, for real, bro.
Have you seen a baby pigeon?
I was thinking about that. Pigeons don't fly. They like lazy birds. They barely fly. I've never seen a baby pigeon. I was just thinking about, like, what if rats, like, cause rats, like, didn't exist. Like, they're, like, created by Columbus and some shit.
Three women walking down the street that way. I saw them. I said, hey, you three women, why are y'all walking down the street that way? And they flew away. I said, oh, them was some birds.